In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email sign-up forms in Brevo. To get started, you first need to open the Brevo dashboard, where your marketing tools are managed. As you look at the top navigation, go to Marketing and select Forms. This area is where all of your existing sign-up forms live, and where you can create new subscription experiences for your audience. Once you are in the Forms section, take a moment to identify what you are working on. If you already have a form that you want to update, click the Edit button on your existing form. If you do not have a form yet, or you prefer to start fresh, click Create a new subscription form instead. This matters because the option you choose determines whether you are adjusting something that is already running or building a new form for the first time. After you open the form, the next step is to change a key setting that controls how subscribers confirm their email addresses. Look for the tab labeled Settings. Click into Settings so you can manage the confirmation and subscription behavior. You will notice that this tab is designed to keep important options together, which makes it easier to adjust the form without hunting through multiple areas. Now you will enable Double Opt-in. In the Settings tab, find the option for Double Opt-in. Toggle Double Opt-in to On. Double Opt-in is an important feature because it helps ensure that only people who genuinely want to receive your emails are added to your subscriber list. It typically requires a confirmation step after someone submits the form, which improves list quality and reduces the chances of unwanted signups. With Double Opt-in turned on, you must decide what the new subscriber will receive next. Still within the Settings area, you will see an option related to the confirmation template. Select a confirmation template to send to new subscribers or create a new one if the template options do not match what you want. Choosing the right template matters because it sets expectations for your subscribers and provides the message that they must confirm. If you are creating a new template, make sure it is clear and aligned with your brand tone so the confirmation email looks professional and trustworthy. Once you have selected the correct confirmation template, you are ready to apply the changes. Go ahead and click Save or Done, depending on what your form screen offers. This final action is the point where Brevo applies your updates to the form settings. If you skip this, the changes you made may not be reflected when people submit the form. After saving, take a brief moment to confirm that everything looks correct on the page. You should see that Double Opt-in is enabled and that the confirmation template you selected or created is the one associated with the form. This quick check helps you avoid surprises later, especially if you are managing multiple forms. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.